Hey everybody, hope everybody is well. Hope I got the Atlanta transition, which is that like kind of really weird arcing transition of like 3 different shots. So I hope that came out. I think I tried it for the second time. I tried it again yesterday. Let's see if it works this time. So tonight, very special, very yummy meal. One of my favorites: salmon, dill, corn, roasted broccoli with some onions, and we're gonna go for a slightly Asian honey dressing. Should be delicious, should be yummy. I'm looking forward to it. Let's get started. So this smells incredible. We're hungry. We're gonna go for a walk after this while it's still light, and I will see you all tomorrow. Cheers.